Ever poured your heart into a Google review, only to find it mysteriously vanished from the internet? Let's dive into the frustrating world of invisible Google reviews, exploring the common culprits behind their disappearing act. First up, Google's own filtering algorithms. These algorithms work to weed out spam, fake reviews, or reviews that don't align with their guidelines. If your review contains promotional content, offensive language, or discusses personal attacks, it's likely to be flagged and removed. Make sure your review adheres to the Google review policies. Sometimes, it's simply a matter of patience. Google's processing system can take time, so give your review a few days to appear. Another reason could be related to your Google My Business profile. In some cases, there could be an issue with the listing setup. You want to make sure all the information on your profile is accurate and up-to-date. Also, if you have multiple Google accounts, or if the user you are trying to leave the review from has multiple Google accounts, the review might be flagged, as it looks like spam. Troubleshooting review visibility can be tricky, but understanding these common reasons will empower you to investigate and hopefully get those well-deserved reviews back in the spotlight. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.